Welcome to Guitar Power Up. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Yellow Lights from 24kGoldn's new album, Dorado. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave in the comments section. Subscribe for lessons from a artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Enjoy! So this entire song uses a single riff that repeats. I'll play it for you normal speed, and then I'll slow it down for you. And that's it for Yellow Lights. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave in the comments section. Subscribe for lessons from a artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Thanks.